What is up, everybody? Dan and the Fireman here. Today we're going to be going over this motorcycle non-issue basically at the end of the day, because this person was hyper aware, went into orange stage when needed to do so, and I'm going to go over exactly what he did and what I want you to do. This is the example that I want you guys to follow, so when you're riding, you stay safe. With that said, let's watch this and move on. Didn't look like there was much that he did, and that's the beauty of it. You basically make it to where it's so non-issue. You're safe, everybody's safe. They made a mistake, they probably realized it, but at the end of the day, you're responsible for your own safety. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. We have a double yellow, we have oncoming traffic area, we have our own lane right here, very good. No real escape route to the right, no real escape route to the left if there's vehicles coming, but you can still use that. But remember, we also have 1, 2, and 3 lane positions within our own lane. So think about that when it comes to a swerve or anything like that. Also, if you check, he has his phone there for GPS. That is the beauty of having a phone mount. So if you want to, use rock form code DanDan25 and get yourself a motorcycle mount. I have mine. I absolutely love it. I use the case and the pop socket adapter all the time. You guys see it on the live streams all the time, but I absolutely love it. Stand behind the product. So make sure you go get one. DanDan25 for 25% off. All right, moving on. Let's go ahead and take a look at this. He's going to be moving forward, and he even said, actually, let's go back just a little bit. He said, I was starting my ride home to the DMV to get my registration updated. It didn't take long for me to go into orange stage / red stage as soon as I left my house. I'd like to share this video with you so that everyone can see the awareness starts the second you get on and not ever become complacent, even when you're at home. The moments you see me make prior to the incident is me adjusting my glasses inside my helmet. Vibrations from the bike causes them to fall down to my nose, makes it difficult to see. So always keep that aware. I thank you so much for sending that in. So anyways, he's going to be moving forward. I want you to watch his hands. Okay, let's play it over just a little bit. So there he goes. He sees the red stage thing. He's in an intersection, very dangerous. And you notice how it's like almost nothing. So let's go ahead and scroll back. So what exactly happened that prevented him from even being close to this? And this is what I want you guys to do. This is what I do every time I ride. If I didn't know better, this is probably me. So that's what I'm talking about. This is a very good situational awareness and fundamental skills because he understands his bike. Okay, so line of sight issue with that car coming out. You see all these people right here. He's doing the speed limit, 42 miles per hour. He's following GPS using code DanDan25 for a rock form mount. And then there you go. So side of the vehicle, that is the pattern to indicate that there is an intersection here. And he's an avid DDFM crew member, so he knew exactly what to do. Went into orange stage when he saw this. So you look at his hands right there, right hand getting ready. We're not stopping, we're not braking, right? We're just getting ready. He's prepped and ready to do something. So now he's in orange stage. So all you have to do is roll up the throttle a little bit. You notice how the speed went down just a little bit, but he's prepped. Okay, well, you just removed your perception, your reaction, and all we have to do is braking distance for that total stopping distance. We removed wasted movements. We are prepped and ready. I am so excited about this. I don't know if you guys can tell. Anyways, he's moving forward. Oh, I went a little too far. He's moving forward and he's getting ready with the clutch now, because just in case with the downshift, maybe swerve so we don't stall depending on what gear we're in. Still prepped and ready. We're slowing down even more, 39 miles per hour. So we're getting up here and he's getting ready right here. So he's going to go ahead and do downshifting. He's getting to the right speed, getting to the right gear just in case he has to do anything right. So he's downshifting, doing everything. We're getting down to 34. We're keeping our good space cushion so we know we can escape if we have to or brake if we have to. He feels confident enough to take his hands off that rear, front brake. That way he can go ahead and maintain some speed and get himself out of the intersection. So right here, we're going down to 32, 31. So we dropped 10 miles per hour to allow this person to go in because they were going to do it anyways. But this way we can keep a good space cushion just in case we do have to brake or swerve, and good vision, good line of sight. Beautiful job, dude. Seriously. So we're going to be moving forward and we're just going to pick up speed. 35, 36, 37, 38. Probably shift a little bit later. 40, 42. Non-issue, baby. That's exactly what I'm talking about, guys. That's what I want you to do. There was no rev bombing. There was no fighting for the position. There was no punching mirrors. This right here is a smart rider, okay? Follow the smart rider principles. Seek out and recognize hazardous situations. You did that. Very good job. Fundamental skills. You knew what you could do with the bike. throttle control, primary controls, all those different things. Also, looks like he's got full gear. He's no one to rescue, but he's also teaching and mentoring you guys and me to show me what a real good example is. So I absolutely love this. Smart rider, absolutely beautiful. Love it, love it, love it. Keep doing what you're doing. Please do so. Hopefully you never have to see you on a Moto Madness or anything like that. But with that said, I hope you guys ride safe, be safe. Check out Rock Forum, check out the Discord, become a member, subscribe today. Let's make this a huge movement. With that said, hope you guys ride safe, be safe, and I'll be seeing you around.